Hi guys, it's Ray. Today we are starting a new tumbler project. We are going to work on this 32 ounce taper from Stainless Depot. I'm going to use this vinyl with this decal, and I think I was going to use silver glitter, but I don't know if I want to. It's a very rainbow holographic, and I don't know that I want all of that. So I think I'm going to change my mind on the glitter, which happens. So I'll figure out my glitter situation at some point here. But I have to start with the vinyl anyways. So I don't think I've ever done vinyl on a taper. So what I'm going to do is kind of figure out where it can fit. Where I'll have room for the decal. And it's not really going to have a strong V, but it's going to curve up at the back a little bit. And once it's on, I'll decide if I like that or not. And if I don't like it, I'll straighten it out. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. I'm just winging it. So I'm going to trim it down. Trim all the white off. And I think I'm going to go for a straight edge because I just see disaster otherwise. So I'm just folding the back over. Just folding the back to give me a place to start. Alright, if I started at an angle, I just closed my fold for a second. Just to go over this in my head, what I want to do. Because it's actually okay if the decal goes down over the vinyl a little bit. It's not really what I want, so. So I can probably cut about 2 inches off the vinyl and still be okay. So I'm just going to lightly okay, so that is sitting somewhat flat where I need it, and above the curve where I'm going to trim the bottom anyways. And I really should have just cut this paper off. I'm going to peel it back. Okay. See what happens, right? Okay, so I'm going to dress the bottom first. And I do believe this is set high enough to meet that curve. So that was close enough to where that met. So that's actually good that I had it that high. And I'm going to come in somewhere. Actually, I'm going to cut this little excess and this little excess. And I believe that if I cut straight down from that point, I should be okay. Should be. But I could be absolutely wrong, so. Where's that third hand when you need it? Okay. See, because I have all this excess under here that's making that pretty bulky. So I'm going to see. But I don't know if I can get this lifted at this point without destroying it. So a cheat glitter is going to have to go over this to kind of blend that. But there we go. I will have a distinct back, a distinct front, and that. So I'm going to go pick my glitter and grab my Mod Podge and a brush. Okay, I am distinctly lacking in pale pink glitters. That's just, I don't have one that I like. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this Monterey color shift. It's got a little bit of blue and purple to it, but it's got a lot of pink, and I think it'll be okay with this because I don't want to do white. But first I'm going to tape my bottom and my top. Okay, so this is just regular gloss Mod Podge. I'm gonna paint it on. and I didn't open my glitter, which is previously unopened. This color is no longer available, so, but it's just a white color shift. But because it's not available anymore, it doesn't really matter what it is. This Mod Podge is already starting to dry. So coverage looks decent for the most part. I am going to dip my brush in my Mod Podge once, and I'm just going to kind of hit any spots that looked a little thin, especially around the rim, where it started to dry very fast. You don't want to brush, you want more pat. So you don't take off more than you intend. I don't think the bottom requires anything, so that's good. Making it worse. Okay, so I'm going to let this sit and dry for several hours after I pull the tape. So I'm really not loving where I touched up in some spots, but we'll see as it dries what I end up with. If I really don't like it, I will come in and do a whole second coat. After this is dry, I'll tape it again and recoat it. Okay, so I'm going to get the coat of epoxy on this so we can move on to the next steps. I'm going to put a little bit of touch of rose in and get it applied, and I will torch it when I am done. Okay, time to finish this one up. I am going to get it pinstriped and decaled, and we'll get another coat of epoxy on it. So, this is the front. This is where my decal's going. It's already trimmed down. I believe this was the right decal. I have so many cups going right now, it's not even funny. Let your light shine. I definitely recommend a felt squeegee for this process. And for my pinstripes, I'm just going to use about 1/4 inch strip of this really beautiful glitter pink vinyl that I got. So, just super simple, clean. I'm happy with it as is. Okay, my epoxy is mixed up and ready. I'm trying to find my switch here. I am going to go with the touch of rose, just a little bit. Actually, kind of quite a bit because it's 30 mLs. And I'm just going to make it sparkle even more. I'll pick it up and show it to you one more time. And then that'll be it. White glitter top. That gorgeous, gorgeous Let Your Light Shine decal. That super beautiful vinyl that kind of matches the decal. The bottom's just the white glitter and the pink glitter pinstriping. So, well, that is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.